Hello and welcome back to our series. We will make here radio button because you may have some queries about radio buttons. Why we have not studied? Because it is relevant. I want to work in little things at one time so that we can make a short and nice video. But we will read this individual and you can use this with combination with any file. Now we will make the window here. I will make this window with suppose I have to import from, let's importing like this, import Tkinter as Tk. Now we have to define window. Suppose I will make window is equal to tk dot tk. We have to make like this, window dot main loop. Here I will make this save later. We will change the geometry here, window dot geometry. Geometry, I should make this geometry to, suppose I will make short geometry here because we will only study about the radio button, and so I have to make 200 into 300. This is not a multiply sign, this is I have already told this is x here in small letter, and I will make window dot title title should be radio button. Radio buttons, and let's see, save it and see our data here. And this is radio button, and see if it create a window or not. It should not give us, it is giving me a window. I should increase this height to same 200. We'll make a square here, no, 4 into 4. Let's make into 4 into 4. Control save. Now let's make the radio button variable is equal to same as this should be as a string var, so that we get here. Now I would set this radio 1, let's say option 1 is equal to, I should make this radio button, and with radio button I have to pass this window. I have to make in window text should be, I will make this option 1, and variable I will give variable. Here we will not use text variable because text variable would be used in entry field, not in this. Variable is equal to radio var, and we should give value of this radio button. I will give option 1. Let's grid it, opt1 dot grid. I should grid it at, we will not use anything here label, and I will only use one button and this window, so that we will make this video on a small time and we will save the time. You can make anything here, 0 and row is equal to 1. Sorry, this is column is equal to, I will make this column same to 0 here. Let's copy this because we have to save the time here. We have not lots of time because we have to learn more thing here, and I will make only 3 option here, and 3, this is also 3, sorry, this have to be 2, and this 2 and 3 and 3. Here we have to change only this 2 and 2. Here this we have to change here to 3 and this to 3. Let's only change the column to 1 and 2. Let's see if it has made us a ready button. Sorry, we have not given string var is not defined here. Where is string var? Somebody string where I should think no, this is same as this, and we have to run and see where it is giving us error. String var should be same like this. Let's change this to small so that we should give confirm. Again this is saying string var is not defined. Let's see that. Let's change this to string var and let's save and run it. It should work, but why it is giving us error? And red var is equal to this and this. Here it should not give me. Here I will check this. So I think yes, we have imported star before, but here we have is as tk, so it will limit us, so we have to pass here, here and here too, and everywhere we have to pass here while initializing this values, and there is tk2. Let's save and run it. It should not give us error, so we have not get. This is how we can select this value, and it is giving only one value when selecting, because we are using same variable. Now this is how we can do. So you can get error here. Let's make button here is equal to, sorry, we have to pass here tk dot button. If you import a star from Tkinter import star, then you need not to pass here. This is the main advantage there. And we have to pass Windows and text. We'll make this as dummy and submit. And I will pass command is equal to view. We will change this command because previous time I have said we will change that command, but I forgot that, and this time I will really I am going to change that. Row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 0. Let's define on function here, define view. On view I will only print in the value that is selected. We have to get red var dot get, simply we have to get here, and let's run it and print it. If we submit, it will not get anything because it is not selected yet. Now it is selecting here because that was not selected. Option 1, if we click here option 2, and if we click here option 3, option 3, option 3 and 2, 1, anything. This type of command is not best because sometime we have to pass here parameter and we cannot pass here parameter, so we can make this lambda and we can pass here parameter also. Let's run and see that it should give us right answer. Yes, I have get this and this. this you can integrate in this, like you have to choose male, female and other in gender, then you can choose this and while submitting it will get in your file, and you can insert in any file handling database or anywhere as you can. This is for this video. We will make some checkbox button that will return 0 1 value or anything value on or off value here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.